Dear students, in this small tutorial I'm going to explain you about how you have to download the XAMPP in the MacBook. So a lot of students have that confusion. So the link which I showed you in the start, I will just go back. So from that link you need to go there, and from there if you go move to more downloads, and then you can keep going on the first one, and in this one you can do 7.4.21, which is working perfectly with that, and then start downloading the second option. So start following the instructions according to what it is showing you here, and it is right now downloading on my computer, and it takes some time to finish it. So once it is finished downloading, you can go to your download manager file folder in the MacBook and find that file with this name. You can click the show folder button where you can see that. After that, you are double clicking on this icon. It will ask you to give your password, and you can move forward to install that XAMPP server on your system on MacBook. And then it's just a matter of following the instructions, as you can see in the given image in the video. You can move forward with that. So it is now just making the routine process where it is installing the XAMPP server on your MacBook. Because I have experienced that a lot of people have the problem of getting installed the XAMPP server on their MacBooks, and that's the main purpose of making that small video tutorial for you. Depending on the speed of your computer, might it takes a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, around that, and it will finish that installation. And once it is finishing, because of course in my system I have to try a lot of different options to install which one is the correct one, so this one is the one which I have finalized that, and it is working perfectly. So once it is installed, you can go to the page on that. It will pop up on top. Go to application or manage server. You can see the database is there. You can start from there. This is the again very important point, which is different from the Windows. So in the final step, what you need to go to application, PHP my admin, and now you can see that MySQL is working, and you can start working and creating your database in the XAMPP server. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.